I did get some other stuff and I took pictures of it, but it's starting to look a little weird outside, so I'm not going to take pictures of these. I'll just do a quick video. I picked up some Redlines this week, and also I'm going to do some stuff with these. I don't know what yet. I guess try to chrome that one out. Try to do a poison pinto out of that, and it's a hard card to find, man. Too bad somebody wrecked it, because this is actually the original. See, look at the inside and everything. The original red. It was came out in a set, I believe. 57 Chevy. Anyway, can never seem to find a good one of these. This one's missing the interior too. It does open too. And this was a vet that I hadn't had before. Those gold hot ones, ultra hots. I always get those wrong. Anyway, a couple of the Redlines that I picked up this week. Got the Porsche. I believe this is a Porsche too, actually. I just traded Picker Nation for one of these, and then I get one back. But this one's not in such great shape. I think this is a Porsche. The pink. I always like picking up the pink. And then the Ferrari. This is a Mantis. Kind of hard to tell the color of some of these. I don't know if that's light yellow, gold, copper. I don't know. You know, after the years they kind of look different. I believe this is an orange split in image though. First Mercedes I have, I think, what are they called? 280 SL, something like that. So I got that. This is a, I forgot the name of this. I always forget. McLaren. Yes, I have a couple of these. So now I got the brown one. None of these are in great shape. I think this is called the Lotus Turbine. I got 3 of these. The Lola GT70s. Believe the 2 are from the States, and this is a Hong Kong issue. This is a Ford Coupe 36, I think. Can't really read it from here. Not such a great shape. I like that rumble seat in the back. And then a couple silhouettes, once again. One US version and one of the Malaysia or Hong Kong version. And Dior. I actually got 2 of these, so I think I took a picture of the other one. Anyway, that's what I got this week. Other than a bad haircut, this is pretty much what it's looking like these days. Thanks for watching.